Hi there, I'm Sarah with WTI. This is a set of 4 suction cup hooks that have made my life so much easier. Have you ever wanted to have something that you can hang in an area, but it's just not possible to drill into it, or you don't want to leave a mark? Maybe you're renting the space, maybe you want to have lots of flexibility. These hooks are easy to apply and extremely strong. I love them for the back of doors, the side of a desk, anywhere, bathroom, kitchen. There's so many uses for them. They apply quickly and easily. They hold weight, but they're easy to remove and they leave absolutely no mark behind. So these are extraordinarily useful suction cup hooks that I have used in my home and my office. If you're looking for something that's going to hold weight and make things convenient for you so that you can hang things where you need to, but you don't have to actually secure them permanently and they leave no mark, this is definitely the set for you. I've been so happy with them, and that is my point of view.